Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your Doordash taxes. As an independent contractor, you're responsible for your own taxes, which differs from being an employee. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure you file correctly and on time. This includes understanding your income, tracking expenses, and knowing which forms to use. Getting organized early can save you a lot of stress later. Tracking your income and expenses is crucial for Doordash tax filing. Keep a detailed record of all earnings from your deliveries. Equally important is documenting every business expense. This includes mileage driven for dashing, a portion of your phone bill, and supplies like insulated bags. These deductions can significantly lower your taxable income, so don't overlook them. When filing, you'll encounter a few key tax forms. Doordash typically sends you Form 1099 NEC if you earned over $600. You'll use Schedule C, part of Form 1040, to report your business income and expenses. Additionally, Schedule SE is used to calculate your self-employment taxes, covering Social Security and Medicare contributions. Understanding these forms is vital for accurate reporting. Filing your Doordash taxes can seem complex, but with proper preparation, it's manageable. Remember to file estimated taxes quarterly if you expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes to avoid penalties. You can use tax software or consult a tax professional for personalized guidance. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Taking these steps ensures a smoother tax season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.